if you need extra sleeping space. This twin-over-twin bunk bed is perfect for your home. High quality. Solid pine legs and a strong, durable frame ensures stability and durability for long-term use. Slat kit included, so box springs are not required. This bunk bed is designed with a clean silhouette and a hue of elegance. It suits all styles of home decoration and completes the look of any bedroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Bunk bed with slide. The bunk bed is also equipped with a slide, which can be a comfortable sleeping area and a playground for children. Imagine how happy it is for children to get up and down from the slide every morning. I believe that it will bring happiness to children. Slides and ladders can be interchanged. You can arrange them according to your ideas. Number 2. Twin low bunk bed. The bunk bed is designed as a floor bed, so even young children can use it. You can choose to let the older children sleep on the upper bunk and the younger ones on the lower bunk. You don't have to worry about safety at all. We have designed a full-length guardrail to ensure the safety of children. The L-shaped design also makes it easy for the upper bunk to see the status of the lower berth at any time, facilitating communication and care between them. Number 3. Solid construction. This multifunctional bunk bed is crafted from a solid pine wood frame, with a commercial-grade MDF board for quality control and durability. The stable ladder can be assembled on either side of the bed, which is great for tricky rooms where space is a concern. Guardrails are solidly attached for added safety. Number 4. Simple and elegant. This bunk bed is designed to last for a lifetime as well as maintain its stylish look with clean gray lines that blend well with the surrounding. Our designs promote both comfort and elegance. The twin-over-twin bunk bed perfectly serves homes with limited space, functional and aesthetic. This bunk bed will enhance any bedroom. Number 5. Easy to assemble. All parts, tools, and instructions are shipped straight to your door in one efficiently packed box. After placing the order, it will be shipped from the U.S. local warehouse. The set will be delivered to your home in the shortest time. Overall product dimension: 77.4 inches length by 88.9 inches width by 49.2 inches height, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can the bottom bunk be used for an infant? Answer: the lower bunk has a fence, specially designed for the safety of infants and young children. Question number 2. Can you assemble the bed without the slide? Answer: the slide is detachable. You can install it when you need it, and remove it when you don't need it. And the position of the slide and ladder can also be interchanged. Question number 3. What is the weight limit on the slide? Answer: the load-bearing capacity of the slide is 250 pounds. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.